I just burped. What a way to start that video. Hello. I just got a cramp in my leg. This has not been a good filming day. Oh, that was sore. Hello. This video is going to be me creating this purple, gold, maroon kind of look. I love having purple in my eyes, and I didn't think purple would actually be nice on blue eyes, but I've done purple on my eyes a fair few times when I've went out and I actually really love it. And I put some maroon into the crease as well. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep watching. And I do want to say a few things. My eyebrows are absolutely terrible as always, and my nails are all chipped because I'm back to just painting my nails, not wearing acrylics anymore, but that's fine. Anything else? Camera mucked up a fair few times because I forgot to zoom back out or zoom in, but it's fine. It's fine. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. This is just going to be a disaster.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories.